If your partner not buy you nothing for Valentine's, you think that is a red flag?
Yeah. Them as about Valentine's a Batman thing, but I don't know Batman thing. If you love your partner and a day that the day the idea, just like birthday idea when you celebrate birthday, Valentine's idea when you celebrate love. You understand me? So if you love a partner, if you want to put $200 rose right there, so you buy it. Don't. Yeah, that's right. If you don't have no money, you can buy a $200 rose. I know nothing that. If she love you, she will understand, don't it? That's right. That is my opinion.
So what you think about the man them do where I say about they not celebrate Valentine's?
The feel say they don't want to buy nothing.
They don't want to buy nothing.
No.
You know say I mean they mean.
I don't have a look at Batman thing about them. Because if you have your woman, she a wash, she a cook for you, and this day sure celebrating love, you must can buy something, girl. Even if you feel like you dare eat that day. Hello, darling, hold on there. Hi, sweetie, where you look today, darling? Just looking what's going on. I have baskets, I have roses, I have all type of bashment. If I something you want for your man, me happy to. So what you say? You buy something from me? If I want $200 roses. If I want $200 roses. If I want $200 roses, can I won't go to you? You have one little ring in it. Hold on, let me go through it.
You like when they ask for your wife, I can ask you two questions. You feel pressured on days like this? Yeah, man. So, like, how much money you feel like so we should have spent on a day like this, though? Boy, right now, you know. So, alright. You know one of them man then will say, oh, you don't believe in a Valentine's Day, though?
Nah, man. You have to believe in a Valentine's, man. You know, you have to buy a little gift and appreciate, you know.
So who you think say man them spend the most money on a day like this? Wifey or side chick?
Boy, you know some of my man they spend it on the side chick, but you know a wife you have to get it still. Yeah, for real, man.
I want somebody to buy a gift though. That one that look like me put you up on the spot. Me not gonna make you answer that one. See? Yeah. So differently though, you don't feel like the woman them love if we are basically what we provide.
Boy, some of them, you don't know.
You don't know.
Yeah.
Alright. Pick up yourself. Yeah.